Today, I want to share with you regarding with magnetite. I've already talked about how that came about, and Queen Cleopatra using it for mind, body, emotion, spiritual. Wow. Today, I'm going to talk about what magnetite can help you with two different benefits: physical benefits and spiritual benefits. So, for physical, it grounds you. That energy from those stones, from the earth, it helps you to be grounded. I want to share my experience when I first picked up hematite years ago when my kids were little. I was fascinated with it. I was, wow, oh, beautiful. It was like a black opal, just shining, just so beautiful. Oh, I decided to buy it and keep it. Eventually, I saw another one, bought another one. I was not awakening yet. I didn't understand the purpose, the benefits of the stone. During the time when I was attracted to that stone, I was going through light turmoil. With my first marriage, make it short, I was a housewife. I had allergy, hard to find a job, and keep my job. And when my former husband, he was just not able to settle down and paint the family and stop missing work. That missing work, and I'm a housewife. I don't make much money, and we have to move so many times. Yeah. 1.5 years, I have to move 7 times. Yeah. But that stone, it kept me going. Wow, very powerful. Now I'm going to talk about the physical. Okay. I know that magnetite and hematite are the same. They look the same. But with understanding, hematite tends not to be magnetic. Magnetite tends to be magnetic. Yeah. But, okay. I found the benefits, health benefits. That was during the time I was not awakening, understanding spiritual way of life. I'm going through so much in my second marriage. During the second marriage, life with shadows. Yes, I was going through mental abuse, trying to protect my mother and my children and his daughter. That hit me with fibromyalgia. That fibromyalgia, I'm going to abbreviate to FMF. It's a nerve system went haywire. Not busted, broken, but wow. The nerve system is in the back of the head. I was not sleeping enough. I was working night. I was stressed. Financially, job. I was working with 5 special needs boys that really need 5 sets of eyes to all at the same time. I was a teacher age for those boys. So that was no rest. Work all day, go home to abuse them mentally, and at night when I go to sleep, I'm stressed asleep. I don't want to move, too upset. So all that 24/7, constantly. So that happened. I hit with fibromyalgia. So, and not only that, my childhood was bad to live with my father. I'm so blessed because my present husband, so understanding, very gentle with me. He's my angel. He's my soulmate. He understands and leave me alone if I can't do or can't hug tight, can't tap hard. I'm very sensitive. I'm cold in here. Sometimes at night, midnight, I'm hot. My mission goes crazy. So, now, why I talk about all that, I wear it, and it, and it. I also used to wear around my ankle. I don't need it anymore around that area because my feet doesn't hurt anymore. This, yes, I sign so much. Here is the key for the nerve system. So my dad decided to get in the business. I started using that. Wow, I noticed it. He started his own business, making things like this. Making it, I wear it. Wow, I noticed it. Yeah. I'm allergic to pain pills like tramadol, gabapentin, hydro. Those medicines I can't accept. My body refuses to accept me. It's go crazy. It's constantly. So that magnetic, amazing. Really brief and short, the one experience I'll share with you so we can close this video. I was taking the grandkids to the pool in town. It should, one house down. The pool's right there. So I have to take this off. Take it off around my ankle. Take it off. We're swimming. We're done. I'm tired. I'm getting tired. Just walk home and oh my goodness, I had to cook dinner. I was stressed. I was starting to feel feels like flu. Like was summer. What's wrong with me? All of a sudden, my jewelry. So I stopped cook. I went upstairs. I didn't stop. I just paused it. I went upstairs and got my jewelry and put it on. And then about 10 minutes later, I noticed my neck is less painful. My hands are not so tired. Wow, very powerful. Now, it's the same concept with when you take over-the-counter pain pill. You take that, you know that will work. You know it will work. Because we have it, we know that will help. That will not help. Okay, I'm talking about that will help. I train my mind to accept and tell myself, my body accept those magnetite jewelry, necklace, bracelets, anklets. So, it's amazing. I wear this faithfully 24/7 except for shower. I've been wearing it for memorizing now. This will soon be 18 years, maybe 22 years using magnetite jewelry. Amazing. I understand Cleopatra. She strongly support, encourage, and knew that jewelry. I'm an earth element, so magnetite is earth element. It's earth being close to the earth. Blessed to you with love and light, humanity to you. I would love for you to share this video. A lot of times people need to see a message from God, universe, whatever you call it. They are ready to tell people, but sometimes they are so stuck, they're blind, in the darkness, they're looking for the light. This video, you share with your friends family, or whatever. Share with them. They will find the light also because you found yours. So, please click one of the emoji, like, heart, or whatever. Comment. Would love to see how you feel. Number one, how you feel about that. Short, you can do video, comments. I'm okay with that. Yeah. So that's what really is important we share.